city. The world is my city. A city with green, a city with heart, city with energy, city with fantasy, city with the unexpected, city with surprises, city with life, city with feelings, city with taste, with dust, city with life. People are walking like a nervous system of the city. People are connected like the dots and lines in my drawings, but they are not aware that they influence each other. Crossroads for me, it's an intersection. Two lines are crossing each other and people are walking like a second layer over the crossroads. Since 2002, I did several crossroad videos. The first one I started in Egypt, in the Nile Delta, a place which is very familiar to me. It's similar today like it was as I was a child. Important for me was the movement of people on a crossroads. So I did other crossroads in Cairo at Townhouse Gallery and another crossroads in Frankfurt near the Polish border. I was sitting on a chair like a sculpture and people were walking around me, or cars, or people were talking to me because I was sitting in front of a church and people projected thoughts on me because I was sitting like an alien in this context. This was the first time I was acting also in a video. In New York for the performance at the Drawing Center, I did also one Crossroads video in New York. Between 2011 and 2013, I was working with the Drawing Center to use my drawings as a notation for dancers. We did the performance 3 times. In the morning, I did the chalk drawing on the floor. Each line was connected, like in my drawings in general, every line has to be connected. In the evening, people came into the space, they didn't know there will be a performance. And after some time, 3 dancers started to erase the chalk drawing with their foot on the floor. And by moving of the dancers, they influenced the moving of the audience, and the audience became part of the performance. And each evening was different, of course. It depended on the people which attended, so that the people became part of the work and not only the observer. And my latest video, 2016, it's called London Crossroads, and I worked with 11 students from Laban. The Laban method is very interesting because it's between human body and architecture. I was introduced to the school and I went there and did some improvisation sessions with the students and explained my work. We talked about what are people doing on streets, how do they walk. Nowadays, everybody has something in their hand. They have a mobile, they have a coffee, they are talking, they are busy. Nearly nobody is just walk for itself. So we developed together. They are staged on a street. It's like an invisible net of 11 people influencing real life people which walk around. It was very interesting for them. The crossroads for me are about movement of people and how everybody is influencing the other person. It's about the awareness